Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repost reels on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. With Repost, you can repost public reels and feed posts, making it easier for you to share your interests with your friends. Reposts will be recommended to your friends and follower feeds, and they'll also be in the Spirit tab on your profile, so you can always go back to revisit your reposts. So, how to do it if you want to repost reels or posts on your Instagram? It's very simple. So, first of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram is on the latest version. You can check on your App Store or Play Store. If there is an option to update, you can update your Instagram app. After that, you can open your Instagram and you can see in here, as you can see in this post, there's like a repost option in here. When you want to, if you want to repost this post, you can just tap on to repost like this. So you have repost that post to your Instagram, and you can also tag your friends and also add a caption to your repost. And if you want to unrepost, you can just tap on that. Also, you can see on your reels, if you want to repost reels, here's the repost button. Now you can add caption on it if you want to and save it, and the reposted reels and posts will be listed here in your profile. You can check all your reposted video and also posts in here. It's very simple, right? And if you want to unrepost, you can choose on the reels that you want to unrepost and tap on the repost button in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to repost reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.